dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 36. In this lecture, we will try to understand dig tool. With the help of dig tool, we will try to understand DNS enumeration and zone transfer. Before understanding this particular lecture, I request you to go through my previous lecture, that is lecture number 35, in which we discussed about host tool. This dig tool is similar to host tool. The dig, domain information grabber. Dig command is a flexible tool for interrogating DNS name servers. DNS name servers. We will try to understand this. I request you to explore NS lookup tool. NS lookup tool, which is available. This tool is available in Kali Linux. And the functionality of this functionality, the functionality of, let me say, the functionality of NS lookup. The functionality of NS lookup is same as host tool. We already discussed what is host in my previous lecture. Now let's try to understand dig tool, which is, this dig tool is more popular for DNS enumeration. To know the uses of dig tool, type keyword dig. Just see what am I doing? Just type keyword dig with hyphen h option. Isn't it? That's what we did for host tool also. This one, dig space hyphen h, isn't it? Let's do DNS enumeration using dig tool. So the command will be, let me write the command, dig space, the same thing we did for host tool also, dig space nptel.ac.in. What does it mean? We want to enumerate. We want to enumerate nptel.ac.in, isn't it? Dig tool generates, even if you observe this dig tool, just say dig space nptel.ac.in. This dig tool generates the report as same as DNS record. It gives version of dig tool. Just say dig 9. It gives version dig 9.18.0-2 Debian. It gives version, even it gives header field. Just say header. Also it gives flags, app code, status, its ID, and it gives question section nptel. What is my question? What is my query? My query is dig space nptel.ac.in. What is that query? This is question section nptel.ac.in. What is answer section? In answer section, I can find IP addresses, isn't it? nptel.ac.in. Here we gave in query nptel.ac.in without any options, isn't it? nptel.ac.in without any option. So it's giving answer as nptel. What is your answer section? It is giving IP addresses, isn't it? If you do not want any additional info, you are getting so much of information, isn't it? If you do not want any additional information, you can use the plus option with short. Just see what is plus option. Dig for limited information, I can say dig nptel.ac.in plus short. What does it mean? Plus short. We can use plus short option for for limited report. For limited report, isn't it? If you do not want any additional information, you can use the plus option with the short, which is dig, with short keyword, which is dig nptel.ac.in plus short, isn't it? This we discussed in our previous lectures also. Now the result is only specific to the name servers. Is a names, if you want to this plus short option, just it is similar to our previous lecture. It's nothing new. Now we can see the result. It's a very specific, and it's not giving additional information. Just it's giving IP addresses, isn't it? To get the name servers, just we discussed in our previous lecture what we have to do to get the name servers, with the dig tool. With the dig tool, we can use which option? -t option. -t option with the keyword keyword ns, isn't it? That means similar to that of host tool. Just we did same thing we did for host tool. Just say dig space nptel, nptel.ac.in space -t, isn't it? ns, isn't it? Just we did same thing for host tool, isn't it? If you want, if you want, what you have to do, if you want short report, we can use plus short. Just see, we can use plus short for limited report. This is limited report. It gives only name servers, ns-cloud a1.google.com domains.com, ns-cloud a4 googledomains.com, ns-cloud a3 googledomains.com. This will give only short report, in the sense what it gives. It gives only name servers names, isn't it? In similar manner, to see the mail servers, now let me say, to see the mail servers, to see the mail servers used by nptel.ac.in, we can use -tmx, isn't it? -tmx, which represent mail servers. What it represents? Mail servers used by nptel.ac.in, isn't it? So this is simple command, isn't it? Just say this is name servers. If you just keep this, I already discussed about zone transfer in my previous lecture using host tool. Here also I am doing same thing. Just see dig. What I am doing? Dig zone transfer dot me -t ns plus short, isn't it? Which one you are getting? Just check this one. So we can use these many. So to transfer zone data, let me say zone data using dig tool. We already discussed transfer of zone data using which tool? Using host command, host tool. Now we are using just which one we are using? We are using dig, isn't it? Just let me identify name servers. What are the name servers? Dig space zone transfer dot me. These are the name servers. nsztm1.dz.ninja, nsztm2.dz.ninja, isn't it? There are two name servers. Then how can I perform? Now I identified two name servers. Now how can I perform zone transfer? It is simple command. what it says, just say, let me dig space axfr zone transfer dot me at the rate. This is, what is this? This is name server. Name server. There are two name servers, isn't it? What are they? NSZ-TM1.DG Ninja, NSZ-TM2.DG Ninja. Which name server I am using? NSZ-TM2. Whichever name server you want, you can make use. This is the procedure for transfer, for zone transfer. So this is how we can. This is how we can transfer zone data. We can transfer zone data. We can transfer zone data manually using tools, using which tool? Using dig tool. I already discussed about host tool. Even you can perform this using NS lookup tool. You can easily understand NS lookup tool. You will get so much of information related to this zone transfer dot me. What this is the information related to that particular zone transfer. Anyway, I will discuss in detail about zone transfer. Just time being, just understand that you can perform zone transfer by using tool like dig tool. Even as I told you, we discussed about which tool. I already discussed about host tool. Now we discussed about which tool. This is dig tool. Just see, let me go to the Kali Linux terminal. Just see here what I am doing here. Dig space -h. You know what is the intention? -h means help option. You can see the different options for this, isn't it? Now just see. Again, let me show all the options which I executed. Next one is how can I say? This is dig space, just say dig space nptel.ac.in. This is dig space nptel. We are enumerating this DNS enumeration for nptel.ac.in, isn't it? Again, dig nptel.ac.in plus short means it will give limited report, isn't it? Again, we are saying dig nptel.ac.in-dns. We are identifying name servers, isn't it? Even if you want to identify name servers with limited report, just you are getting names are ns-cloud a4.google.domains.com, nscloud a2.nscloud-a1 Google Domains. These are the name servers, isn't it? This mail servers, how can I identify mail servers? Dig nptel.ac.t Amex. This is useful to identify mail servers. Even if you want to, you can get the mail servers. A short limited report I am adding plus short, isn't it? Even I can identify name servers related to zone transfer.me. Just here I am doing zone transfer by using axfr, dig axfr zone transfer.me. I already discussed about zone transfer.me in my previous lecture. At the rate, here I am using the server name NSZMT. This is the server name server. Here we have two name servers. Whichever name server you want, just you can keep after at the rate symbol. This is simple and straightforward. Just go through it. All these concepts are important in the perspective of hacking. If you have any doubt, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.